Hey there, it's Simon here. Hope you are well. I just wanted to give you a little update about my publishing schedule here at Simon Morel Guitar. Up until now, I've published 2 lessons every single week on Tuesdays, on Saturdays. Now, about 3 or 4 months ago, I started a new channel called Aussie Guitar Lessons Weekly, where I'm publishing 1 lesson per week. So that meant that I'm doing 3 lessons a week. My regular teaching work and gigs have started to come back now that the coronavirus stuff and restrictions are starting to lift. So it's just too much work for one person, unfortunately. So I'm going to dial back the lessons here on Simon Morel Guitar to once per week, which I'm sure is still heaps for you guys. And I'm going to be doing a lesson a week at Aussie Guitar Lessons Weekly too. So publishing schedule, Aussie Guitar Lessons Weekly on Friday and Simon Morel Guitar on Saturday. So that's it really. I just wanted to let you know in case you were worrying about where the Tuesday lessons had gone. Please do subscribe and click the bell in case you haven't and you're brand new. If you are looking for any lesson, just go to the playlists. Anyway, that's probably enough rabbiting on for now. I will see you next time. Go and check out a lesson now and have a good week. See you. Bye.